Unlock the power of multiple bank accounts with Payoneer to manage your earnings more effectively. First, log into your Payoneer account. Once you're on your dashboard, navigate to your profile settings. Typically, you'll find an icon or a link that says Settings or My Account in the top right corner. Within your settings, look for a section specifically dedicated to bank accounts. On this bank accounts page, you'll see an option to add bank account or a similar button. Click on that to begin the process. Now, you'll need to enter the details of your new bank account. This will include selecting the country where your bank is located, the currency of that account, your bank's name, and your bank account number. For verification, Payoneer might ask you to upload supporting documents. This could be a bank statement or a screenshot that clearly shows your name as the account holder and the account details you've just entered. Ensure the documents are clear and legible. Once submitted, your new bank account will likely go through a verification process by Payoneer. This usually takes a few business days. You'll receive notifications within your Payoneer account about the status of your request. After successful verification, your additional bank account will be listed on your Payoneer profile, ready for you to receive payments or withdraw funds. Congratulations! You've just expanded your financial flexibility.